Everyone. Today I will teach you Hewitt Sports Skill Test association with Hewitt Sports Skill Test associated with tennis. Tennis. It is related with the tennis. Tennis. Hewitt Sports Skill Test associated with the tennis. ये टेनिस से रिलेटेड टेस्ट है हैविट स्पोर्ट्स स्किल टेस्ट. This test is designed to evaluate a player's skills specific to the sports tennis, assigning the various aspect of the game including the accuracy. ये accuracy को चेक करता है, पावर को चेक करता है एंड एजिलिटी ऑफ दी ऑन द कोर्ट. जो एजिलिटी दी ऑन द कोर्ट और एजिलिटी को चेक करता है. Badminton, while badminton also requires a higher level of skill include agility. It is include agility, speed, precision, habit, sports, and skill not designed of the assigning skill. Badminton has a on skill assignment tools and tests tailored to the unique demands.